Well, here comes a question: how to transfer Google Photos to iCloud efficiently. Please don't miss what we will mention next, because there will always be one approach you'll be fond of. Part 1. How to transfer Google Photos to iCloud via Google Takeout. Go to Google Takeout, select Google Photos for export. Choose File Type and Delivery Method. Click Create Export. Monitor progress. On iCloud.com, pick Downloaded Photos. Click Upload to import into iCloud storage. Part 2. How to move Google Photos to iCloud on PC. Log into Google Photos on your computer. Select desired photos. Click the three-dot icon. Download with Download or Shift+D on iCloud Online. Choose Photos. Click Upload to upload selected content. Part 3. How to transfer photos from Google Photos to iCloud on Android. Open a browser on Android. Visit iCloud. Enter Apple ID. Use Apple device for two-factor authentication. Click Trust. Access iCloud. Tap Photos, then Upload to transfer Android photos. Part 4. How to move photos from Google Photos to iCloud on iPhone. On iPhone, enable iCloud Photo Library in Photos and Camera. Download Google Photos. From the App Store, log in and select Images. Tap Share, then Save to Device to download files to camera roll and sync to iCloud.